Hey everyone, this is Bagger. It's 10:03 October 7th, and this video has really been for private members, but we'll upload it to YouTube. Um, Folks, if you come across this, if you're not a member, we run an educational site, a mentoring site. We're not a broker or a broker. We're not making specific recommendations to buy and sell. We trade our own monies. We do so mechanically, and we do it in a unique way. And we're just following up with our members. We were showing an intraday trade that we've been working on basically all week, going short and long. It's the oil contract. And folks, for our members, I commented earlier, this is number 6, right? And here's the congestion that we thought. That's the trade up there, the CLX that you see on the left. And what we want to see is that get taken out right in here. And where is our stop? Let's see if we can get a view of the stop. Some previous orders. We're going to be right in here. And now if she comes down here and hits this real fast, that'd be $1,500. That wouldn't be a bad paycheck. I also want to just turn this off so it's not too confusing. We also run strategies, but I want to take a look at the NQ, and on the same time frame, an hour. An hour happens to be one of our favorites. It's the NQ. This coloring, by the way, is a proprietary paint bar used by us, and you can see up and down with the NQ, but that's on an hour. But look at it on a daily. Look at this here. Now this is not this. The only reason you don't have this is not a continuous contract. But here was the one of the dips, bought, pull back, then here we be. So we're playing this for the pullback down in here. What we'll get is we're going to get some congestion in here, trying desperately to hold these markets up, most likely for the election. And the way to play this is we get sideways down underneath here, and then if we break out and take out these highs, the market, yes, could go higher. We don't see it because of the lack of breadth in the market. But if this does consolidate down below here and break lower, it'll take that out and chase this low down here, ultimately 4,200, 4,300. And that is the Brexit low. That's just in July. We could go a hell of a lot lower. But in any case, we'll keep you posted on the CL. I'm not going to upload this because we've been showing everybody. I want to try as best I can to make this little video real time and see how this trade works out for us at the end of the week here. So we'll be back. I just want to come in here, folks. This we just crunched up. This is the NQ. This yellow line is line at price. This is the NQ contract, right? Exactly where it is. Let me just mark this up a little bit with you. We got some time. I want a trend line. Okay, this is on an hourly time frame. So we'll take the highs. We'll run this right across. Extend to the right. And let's go do the same thing here. We're on the bottom. Look at this, We're just oscillating in between here, getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And we think it resolves itself to the downside, but we'll have to keep an eye on it. She is building cause. Now all the wedge people will say that the trend is up. This consolidation will go based on our swing machine and what it's showing. We're going with the swing machine in that it will resolve itself down. We'll see. Okay, folks, we're going to come back. We closed the shorts on the NQ, and they paid out nicely. This is one contract. So here we be. It's an hour later. It's been real slow. Europe is now closing. So what we want to see is we want to see a tick, just one tick below here. We're already in the trade, and then we should collapse and hit our profit target. Let's see what happens. We'll be back. Okay, guys, just want to show you the trade happening real time. So we've just taken out this low, and we're headed down to our profit target, which is right around here. We'll be right back, and that's the trade right up there. A minute. Okay, folks, and now we're getting the acceleration. Let me show you where the profit target is. We'll just come in here and load it in, and profit target is right here. So we're going to watch as she comes on down. That's the position up there, and I want to see how it comes in. It's at the top of the hour. We're setting a new candle. Again, if you're seeing this on YouTube, this doesn't make any sense to you. We're in the process of kind of just showing a little in-service to our members, but you're more than welcome to check out our site, give us a call, and get a better idea about what we do day in and day out. Okay, folks, now we just dropped down to a, this is the 1 hour time frame. This is what we played for. This was a, you might say a Cat 6 short. It's our profit target down here. We're going to split these two Fibonacci's. We think that's reasonable. And to get a better look, we're going to come in on a 15-minute, and we're going to follow it down. Any kind of pause, hesitation, any kind of reversal candle will come out. Otherwise, we're going to let that run. And maybe you get to see it. Any kind of hammer candle on a 15, we will be out of the trade. And we get another 49.48. Not too much further. Hey guys, just to finish up, we just nailed the trade right here. So we didn't get the full. The profit target was down around here, someplace for 1500. We've killed it, and we made half of our profit target. One contract 800. So trading oil all week, wasn't a bad way to go. One contract, one market, 1 week. Nice week's pay. All right. We will see you all on. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me bring in a view. The radar. Let me do that. And we will see you Sunday night. Let me show you what's going on here. Oops. Let's slide this over. Here's the radar. We'll look at the ETFs, and the SPY is off $1.30. It's still in chop from a short position, short, and here are the headwinds. IWM, there's really no change in here, even though it's off $1.42. Still headwinds. Diamonds weak, short for 22 days, short, headwind. Apple, still in the same position, and the NQ. It's hanging tough. Been in a long position for 13. The best that we've been able to do is get it into chop. Not confirmed here. A little headwind here. All right. We will be back on Sunday night. So we'll just let the markets finish up here and see what we got. I'm a little suspect on volume, but we'll take a look at the weekly view, and then we'll be giving you the dailies all next week. If you're coming across this video on YouTube and you're wondering what the hell is this guy doing, subscribe. Right now the subscription is just $49 a month. We give our subscribers a weekly view of the markets, a video view using what we call the swing machine every Sunday night, a daily view every morning. And we also provide futures, ETFs, and also stock setups. And then we try to show some things that we're doing in a way of trying to mentor. It's about teaching folks how to learn to play their game. If you're looking for someone just to tweet out or throw out the fish, that's not us. We don't think that does anybody a whole lot of good. Every once in a while, maybe, but we're not really recommending to buy or sell anything. We're teaching. All right. Best of luck, everyone.